I can understand how the place name for this area, Pont Tyweli, is shortened to Pontweli because, after all, I come from a place called Aberfraw, or as we know it, Berffro. My name is Tudur Owen, and I think that our place names not only tell us where we are, but maybe also who we are. There's the Tyweli, look, flowing under the bridge and joining the River Teifi. But what does Tyweli mean? The most likely explanation is that Dywal is the origin, an old Welsh word meaning brave, furious, or cruel even. So, take care when crossing Pont Tyweli. I've always considered this place to be quiet and peaceful, Pencader. But this name also suggests a history that's far from peaceful. Pen means head or elevated ground, and cader or cadair means chair or seat. But it can also mean keep, a safe place, a fortress on a hill. And there is such a hill just outside the village with the remains of a Motte and Bailey castle on it called Castell Pencader, Pencader Castle. In the 12th century, Henry II, King of England, came this way with his army. He had his sights on conquering Wales, and the story goes that on his way to the Motte and Bailey Castle, he came across an old man on the side of the road. And this old man didn't seem much of a threat, so the king asked him what he thought his chances were of conquering his country. And these are some of the words that the King of England heard. It will never be totally destroyed by the wrath of man, unless at the same time it is punished by the wrath of God. Or in other words, you can have a go, mate, but unless you've got the big man upstairs on your side, we are going to be yma o hyd, still here. And the old man of Pencader, he wasn't wrong, was he?